Welcome back to 10 Slide Info's Defense Update series. Today we are going to see a couple of important updates on the defense side. First one is regarding the quotation for 106 HTT-40 training aircrafts. The second one is regarding HAL coming up with an amphibious aircraft based on Dornier 228. Third one is regarding Indian Navy firing the KH-35E anti-ship missiles using the Ilyushin 38SD maritime patrol aircraft. Now let us see each update more clearly. After getting an approval for 83 LCA Tejas fighter, HAL is hoping to get the final quotation for the previously approved 106 HTT-40 trainer aircraft deal. If you see a quick recap, on August 11, 2020, the Defense Acquisition Council approved procuring of 106 HTT-40 for the Indian Air Force. The HTT-40 is built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and it is said to be filling the gap of retired HPT-32 Deepak trainers. These trainer aircrafts have successfully demonstrated the critical 6-ton spin test capability, and this particular project design started in 2013 with a funding of 350 crores. Besides the 6-ton spin test, the turbo HTT-40 has so far not only met but has crossed all the qualities for the flight performance as set by the Indian Air Force. This includes the ceiling, the spin, turn and speed, etc. So let us hope HAL gets the final quotation as soon as possible so that Indian Air Force inducts these trainers at the earliest. Coming to the second update, we all know that since a couple of years, the purchase of 12 Shinmaiwa US-2I amphibious and rescue aircraft for a deal of $1.65 billion has been put on back burner for several reasons, and this includes the lack of funds by the Indian Navy. In order to fulfill this requirement, HAL has come up with an idea to design and manufacture an amphibious aircraft based on the Dornier 228 aircraft. It seems a scale model of this proposed aircraft would be on display during the Aero India 2021, which has kick-started today, which is February 3, 2021. As per HAL, if this version of Dornier 228 becomes a reality, it would help Indian Navy in inter-island communication, search and rescue, and reconnaissance of islands. Not just that, it would also help the Indian Navy to use them for delivering the spares and tools to the warships at deep sea in urgent situations. Coming to the third update, Indian Navy operates 5 Ilyushin IL-38 Dolphin maritime patrol and anti-submarine warfare aircraft, and 2 were lost in a mid-air collision in 2002 during the Indian Squadron's Silver Jubilee celebrations. As per the recent update, it looks like Indian Navy has fired the KH-35E anti-ship missiles during the ongoing Theatre Level Readiness and Operational Exercise 2021. The missile which was fired hit and sank the target successfully. The Theatre Level Readiness and Operational Exercise is an inter-service military exercise involving the participation of Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard. The KH-35 missile is a subsonic weapon featuring a normal aerodynamic configuration with a cruciform wings and fins, and it has a semi-submerged air duct intake. These KH-35 anti-ship missiles can also be launched from helicopters, surface ships, and coastal defense batteries with the help of a rocket booster. So that was a quick update on 3 vital news from the defense side. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.